Have you ever wondered if Alzheimer's can be transmitted between people? For example, during activities of daily life or medical care? In this video, we will discover what new research suggests. According to a January 2024 study in Nature Medicine, some patients who received growth hormone treatment between the late 1950s and mid-1980s later developed Alzheimer's disease. From 1959 to 1985, over 1,800 UK patients received human growth hormone from cadaver pituitary glands, a treatment also used in the US and Australia. However, the practice was ended after 200 patients worldwide developed Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, a rare and fatal brain disorder caused by infectious proteins called prions, after receiving contaminated growth hormone from the cadaver. In 2015, researchers suggested that there was evidence that amyloid beta protein, which is associated with Alzheimer's, could have been transmitted from the cadaver growth hormone. The researchers later administered the cadaver hormone to mice and found that they developed amyloid beta plaques in their brains. This finding suggested that patients who received the contaminated growth hormone may have also received misfolded amyloid beta proteins, which could have led them to eventually develop Alzheimer's. After evaluating 8 patients from the UK, 5 were found to have developed Alzheimer's, and at unusually young ages. The patients began developing symptoms between the ages of 38 and 55, with no genetic mutations found to increase their risk. According to researcher Susan Kohlhaas, this study suggests that in very rare circumstances Alzheimer's disease may be transmitted between humans via human growth hormone from deceased donors. It must be stressed that this treatment is no longer used today and has been replaced with synthetic growth hormone. In a separate study published in Stem Cell Reports, researchers bred mice with a human amyloid precursor protein gene variant, causing them to develop an Alzheimer's-like disease. Even with these findings, researchers emphasize that Alzheimer's is not an infectious disease and cannot be transmitted from person to person like the common cold. There is no suggestion whatsoever that Alzheimer's disease can be transmitted between individuals during activities of daily life or routine medical care. Thank you for watching. Stay connected and informed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more engaging and informative videos.